Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of seeing this video, my name is Ogechi is the name of my channel. Guys, it's past 7 o'clock in the morning. We are going to another city close to us for an appointment. My child, the little boy, need to see doctor in that city. So guys, we're already late. Like, we are big time late. So come with us. Don't mind me filming my kid here. So come with us as we go. Okay, see you. I'm not going to